Ruby's Kitchen. I'm Ruby D, author of Ruby's Juke Joy and Americana cookbook, and today we're going to make a chipotle salsa. The first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to sear some tomatoes and onions and garlic, cover them up with some tin foil and let that sear down for about 5 or 10 minutes, and then we'll make the salsa. So let me go ahead and get these started. And by covering it, I'm allowing the tomatoes and peppers and so forth to sweat slightly. Alright, so I've allowed my grilled tomatoes, onions, and garlic to cool a little bit because I don't want to hurt my processor. So I'm going to add those into the processor with 3 canned chipotle peppers that I have seeded. Make sure you seed them, but I've left a little bit of the juice that they come in with them. I'll add those in. And those are what make this salsa a little bit smoky, a little bit spicy. The next thing I'm going to add is 1 tablespoon of olive oil, about 3 tablespoons of lime juice. Give it a little bit of a foundation for the kick and the smoke of the chipotles, and then a touch of salt. Now this salsa is dangerous because it's so good, so be careful. We're just going to process this and it'll be ready to go. Oh, that smells so good. What makes this salsa so incredible is that you get a little bit of the char from the tomatoes and the onions and garlic, and then that smoky sweetness of the chipotle pepper. That is my chipotle salsa. Thank you so much for joining me in Ruby's Kitchen. I hope to see you next time.